Hello YouTube, in this video we are going to install Windows 10 in a laptop. It also can be done in a desktop or notebook. Windows 10 in UEFI mode, so we already have the pen drive. Watch the previous video how to create a pen drive. I'll be also changing the hard drive by an SSD solid state drive. So solid state drives normally are faster than normal drives, 10 or 12 times faster. Okay, so it's a really good upgrade for your laptop or computer. Okay, so this one is a Chinese brand that I will be reviewing on the channel, really cheap. Okay, so we have the pen. Now we need to boot up our computer, selecting to boot from the pen drive. In this HP laptop I need to press escape and now F9, then select the boot from EFI file, select the only option, proceed until EFI, select boot and boot 64.efi. Okay, so it's reading from the pen drive. Okay, so now we need to select the language to install Windows 10. I will select English. Time and currency, I'm in Portugal, so I will select Portugal. The quality of the video in this part is not really good, it's super exposed, but ahead will be good. So the keyboard, I will select also Portuguese. Okay, okay, so if you have a key for Windows 10, so if it is the first time you will be installing Windows 10 in your machine, you will need to enter the key code here. If it is not the first time, Windows will recognize and will activate itself. Okay, so we will be doing a fresh install, so select this option, create new, and Windows will create several partitions in your hard drive. Select next, and now I have speed up the video in video editing, because this takes really depends on your machine, and if you are installing from USB 3.0 or 2.0, 3.0 it's recommended because it's really fast, even though it takes a while. So I have shortened the video, speeding up in post-production. Okay, so it will restart. Don't press anything this time, it will boot directly from Windows. So depending on your machine, you will need to know how to boot from USB. So as I told you, this is a HP laptop and I have to press escape and then select F9 to boot to select the boot order. In other machines like a Gigabyte motherboard, I have to press F12 and select the boot options. Okay, so in Asus or other brands, I don't know how it works, so you need to Google how to select the boot device in your computer. Okay, so Windows is installing. Don't forget, if this video somehow helped you, to give a like and leave your comments below if you have questions, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, so I have to select the keyboard. I will select Portuguese. And he is asking if I want a second keyboard. Yes, I want, because this one is the keyboard is UK, so I will select United Kingdom. Okay, Now you may skip or select your wireless network. Another reboot. So now select your network, enter your key, and press next. So remember that this pen drive is prepared to install in UEFI mode, okay? So your computer must support UEFI. Okay, so here you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just click create account. In the previous video you can check your Windows installation if it is installed in legacy or UEFI. Okay, so proceeding with Windows installation, here you can do it later. Next, only save files on your PC. So all these options is for you to decide, so you don't have to install like I'm doing. So you have to read and decide by yourself what do you want. Okay, so those were my choices. Yours might be different, so read these. As I told you, the video is faster than the normal install, so during installation you will have plenty of time to read and make up your choices. Okay, after this it will start working on your computer and it will take a while. Okay, and now we have Windows 10 installed. Okay, so now the updates will start and everything. And just to make sure that it is installed in UEFI mode, yes it is. So don't forget, give me a like on the video, subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos.